Hello everyone, I am Saksham Sharma back with updates on your queries about TCS Ignite and Smart Hiring. So in this video, I will answer all the comments that we have got in the last video that we uploaded on 18 July. Though I was trying to answer it on the comments, but there are so many. So again, we'll have thought of making a video. Let's go one by one. A few acknowledgements. Please don't ask about results and joining because these are not certain. It usually takes time, so you have to wait and watch. Nobody can tell you when will the joining come with certainty. People can only give you predictions. And then regarding the results are for the Ignite hiring. It has just happened now. Even it is happening now. Also, interviews are being done. So wait for some time. I don't think so. It is coming before first week of August. So let's see. So I will not answer anything related to joining dates. Okay. I committed some results. I already answered. Give interview results. Okay, I already answered. Okay. I don't have a passport for VGC and I don't have passport. What will happen? That's okay. You apply for passport and upload the application form. So when you apply for passport, you get an acknowledgement application form. So that can be used for VGC as of now. Next, there is an option to enter IT pin. Is it mandatory to apply for the ID card now, or is it required only after it is monitored? Both the things are fine, but if you apply now, you will have your NSR IT pin. Sometimes it takes time, so better you apply now and get it. In this is document upload section, they are saying it is mandatory to complete biometric phase. No, it is not mandatory. It is actually not happening now. It was earlier. It was the process. So now it is discontinued. So online KYC is enough. So I got offer letter from TCS and Microline, and I have same position, but TCS offering open and back into 2.6. You should know. I have little searched about Microland because of your query. So I think it is a good company. It seems to be a good company. I suggest you join there so that you start with a higher package. Number one, after some time, after 2 years of experience from there, you can change to TCH anyway. Okay. Next, is it legal to do online MCA while working in TCS? Basically, it's not about being legal or illegal. Nobody can stop you from doing your personal upgradation when it comes to starting new courses. So it is definitely not illegal. You can do it, and if somebody has to consider, they will consider. Otherwise, they will not consider. But nobody can stop you, and nothing is like legal or illegal when it comes to doing some courses. Sir, when will we? It is illegal to do two jobs together. It is like company does not appreciate that you are working with one company and you are also working with another company. But doing a course is fine. So when you receive mail about selection given interview, I told you in the starting, make your TC inspect or check is it true. So I don't support that because that is not the right way to check. And basically, the biggest concern is when will the result come, and because result will only tell you whether you are selected or not. Otherwise, all these are assumptions, and it can be true, it cannot be true. But the question is when the result will come, and then it is something which started last week. So last week some students have got results. I'm hoping some more students will get results this week. So let's see, we see that in positivity. But yeah, regarding that inspect or trick, you are not going to get anything because you want a confirmation about your selection, and that will only be done from the selection mail. Okay, so you have to eventually wait for that. You cannot say TCS tomorrow, okay, my inspect codes was saying I was selected and now you have not sent me the offer letter. So it doesn't make any sense. Anyway, if your interview was good, you will be selected. So that's already an indication. But the result will only convey the truth. And let's see when it comes next due to next step portal. Okay, basically wait for some time. It is a new change in the system, and this type of things takes time. Regarding your second query about backlog, so some hiring have one backlog allowed, some have doesn't. So it depends, like which hiring it is. Sometimes they consider one active backlog, sometimes they don't. But majorly it is considered one backlog is fine. And MBA hiring, not sure if they consider it or not, but one backlog, active backlog is fine. Next, hi sir, my question is I entered my name in TCS application form with small mistake and it is now on non-edible. Is it any problem background check? That's a problem. The name should be correct always. You should write a mail to TCS team to get it corrected. or if you have any document that support that your name is like that. But as of now, you have to write a mail to TCS team saying your name has been entered this incorrectly, and if they can change it. Next, so in the Ignite interview, I couldn't answer first question correctly, but attempted other questions. In the HR round, he asked me to write a code. He asked using pen and paper. Then chance that I may get rejected. No, if you have answered majority questions, then there are good chances of selection. It's fine if you don't know the first question. So I gave interview 9 July. Responded could tell me when I get results. Wait करिए अगस्त तक. I think it will be declared by August. Next, sir. When I'm changing URL portal to track my application, I'm getting one details of the batch status of inspect material showing that registered in HR. I have already clarified that that is you should not depend on that inspect method. Result will come in few days and you will come to know. So don't think much. So I have done the analysis and depend can upload even to the portal. If it is giving you an option to upload, you can do that. Otherwise, before joining anyway, it will be done. So that's okay. You don't have to do anything. If you can upload. If not, then it's still fine. Sir, we are planning online MCA, which gives us regular certificate in along with smart role. They are telling like they will give certificate same as regular students, but we will get online mode in the bottom accepted certificate. So please suggest us what is our decision. We decided because of the distance MBA there will be no classes and there will be problem for leaves for some exams. That's okay. Some companies even consider online, education, and some don't. So as far as TCS is concerned, they don't consider it, but some companies consider it. So you can go for it, but TCS will not consider that. And um, so basically, there are even colleges. Basically, you want daily classes, and that is why you are going for an online MCA. It's fine. You can go for it. It's okay. So 10th July going to be a 30 smartly. Some people are saying using your favorite TCS next step portal. You can check yes, according to them, stress which is rejected. Am I inserted or rejected? Share it to official mail. See, unless the result is announced, nothing is confirmed. Okay, so you have to anyway wait for the result because result will only tell you what is the exact status. So you are checking from that method, but nobody can take a guarantee that whether that is correct or not. So better wait. Let's wait for the result. Sorry, submitted my BTC documents on 5th July. It is still approving pending. Yeah, it will take some time. The BGC will start before you're joining, so it will take time. I attended my interview on 3rd July. When can I accept my result? Result will take time. If it is about Ignite and Smart, then August is what I see. So TCS Ignite interview attended 10 July. When can I expect result? Same, I answered. Please make a management experimented trending on YouTube for running the TCS and QT. So I could not to celebrating message about it. Don't depend on that, and then there is no guarantee if that is right or not. So only confirmation is when you get a mail. Okay, so we have to wait for the mail because it is not like that you from the inspect method you come to know you are selected and tomorrow you can claim that no there was you were selected, but how come you don't get the selection mail. So eventually everything will be decided by the selection mail, and then I am hoping that it will come this week. So let's wait for that because that is the only confirmation, and nobody can give guarantee about anything, whether inspect method or any other method. All right, so I think we have covered all the comments. Thank you so much. If you have more queries, let us know in the comment section.